Hello lovelies, welcome to another video and happy Pride Month. I have a special SpongeBob shirt on that you can't really see, but I love it. I have an unboxing for you today. So it's the Glossybox. This is actually the May Glossybox and I didn't receive it until the beginning of June. There was a little bit of a kerfuffle with that. They didn't ship it out in time, or it got delayed or something. There wasn't a lot of communication with the customer service department. I did email them, but I didn't get a lot back. That was the only part that I didn't like about this. So hopefully June's box will get to me in time and I'll be able to unbox that one as well. But I am really excited to open this. I've heard a lot of good things about this box in particular. So let's go ahead and get to it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And let me know how you guys like these videos so that I can do more in the future. First impression of just pulling the box out of the mailing box is it's really pretty. I mean, look at that, all the gold detailing. It's a nice sturdy box. You'd be able to keep things in this if you were into storage boxes, or some people use these for their photos. It has lots of detailing all around the edges. These little sunshine details, and it says, "Let the sun shine." Look, even the inside is pretty. Look at that. A little card on the top. "Let the sun shine, Glossybox." And so it's a little introductory pamphlet with everything in here. Hey Glossies, it's finally time to dig out those dresses, sandals, and sunglasses and get some vitamin D. Summer is around the corner, and let the May edit, "Let the sun shine" is exactly what you need to get your glow ready. We're here to make sure your skin and hair are prepped for the sunshine and heat. So let's go ahead and start unboxing. Love from Glossybox. Oh, isn't that cute? And then it has each product and all the little descriptions. And I will read those out too as I pull all the products out so that you can know exactly what they are. Nice little card. Okay, and it does also come with, a little coupon code to shop at one of their shops for Velvet. That's cool. And look, the packaging is so cute. It's got a little bow and everything. See, it's all turned around because I moved the box around so I could show you. Okay, so this is Uriage El Thermal Eau Thermal. I'm probably saying that wrong because it's French. So this is a hydration spray. It hydrates, smooths, and protects, pure and natural, dawn from the heart of the French Alps. So that says, packaged directly at the source of the French Alps, filled with mineral salts and skincare water, is just what you need to moisturize, smooth, and protect your skin. It's perfect for those hot summer days ahead. And then it has little tips. Spray on your face and body as often as you want for cooling hydration. That sounds really nice and refreshing. Okay, the next thing we have here is the Aveda Nouriplenish Leave-In Conditioner. So this is for all hair types. And these are nice big packages too. So even though they're like tester sizes, they're still a nice size. There's plenty of product in here to use at least a couple of times. And this says, shield your hair from UV rays and heat damage. Oh, so it has the heat damage protection as well. This 98% naturally derived formula, free from silicones, parabens, and sulfate-free cleansers. It protects against the drying effects of the sun, leaving your hair nourished all day long. And the little tip says, shake well, mist clean hair, damp or dry, detangle and style as usual. For fine to medium hair, apply mid-shaft to ends. For thick and highly textured hair, apply from roots to ends. That's very, very important to know the difference between your textured hair and how to take care of it. So it's very nice that they included that in there as well. So we've got that. The next product I have here is the Bella Pierre Cosmetics Stay Put Brow Gel. Oh, that's nice. That's a big little thing of brow gel. And there is not a description for the brow gel on here. So, but I mean, I would guess it's just a standard brow gel, and it looks like it comes with a little brush as well. I'm guessing that's what this thing is at the top. Next, we have the Mineral Bath Salt Dream Away Valerian and Hops. And that is, after a busy day, nothing better than a pampering bath. These stress-relieving salts promote better sleep thanks to the calming benefits of valerian essential oil. The pure, uncontaminated thermal spring salt cleanses and naturally detoxifies. Tip says, add salts to warm bath water and relax. No bathtub? No problem. Pour into a large bowl of warm water and sink your feet into a soothing soak. That sounds nice. Okay, and next we have the Helios Anti-Pollution Youth Ampule. That is by Earth Harbor. This is actually a full-size product. And I always have trouble with these boxes. I don't know why. I'm sure it's just me. Ooh, what a pretty bottle. Oh my goodness. Look at that gradient pink. Sorry, it's shiny. I got distracted. This is the Earth Harbor full-size Helios Anti-Pollution Youth Ampule. Say that 10 times fast. Unparalleled in strength for combating pollutants and daily skin stressors, this ampule is a necessity for skin in need of after-sun replenishment, bold defense against the elements, and a thriving barrier function. It restores antioxidants, normalizes skin pH, and soothes fine lines. Tip says, apply 2 or more drops to your skin after cleansing and toning. Massage until absorbed and follow with moisturizer. Just want to see the consistency of this. Oh, that's nice. I wonder if it's oily or more like a serum. A little bit of both. It does have a little bit of a facial oil feel to it, but it is nice and light, so it doesn't feel like it would weigh down your skin. It feels nice. It smells nice too. Okay, and the last thing we have here is the Nuit Polaire. Let's see. Polaire Deluxe Mini. So it looks like we were supposed to get the Polaire sunscreen, but instead we got the Polaire Night Revitalizing Mask with algae, boreal algae. Let me read the back since the description isn't here. Rich in beta endorphins and stimulating essential nutrients, this Polar Night Mask revitalizes stressed and dehydrated skin. Night after night, toxins are eliminated, the skin is smoother, regenerated, and revitalized. The skin seems visibly younger. So it looks like you put it on at the beginning of the night and you just sleep in it, so it's a leave-on mask. All right, and that's all we have in this box here. All in all, these products are very nice, and I am very excited to test them all out. Okay, so they did provide the MSRP for all of these products, and I know that some of them aren't exactly what they have listed here, but I'm going to give you the prices that they gave me. So the Polaire Sun Cream, so it was supposed to be the sunscreen, but we got the mask. I'm guessing the MSRP is going to be about the same. So the Deluxe Mini is what we received, and that was $12. The travel size of the mist, that was $3.50. The travel size of the leave-in conditioner was $12. the bath salts. This is a nice big packet. And so this is a $4 packet. The full size of the Youth Ampule from Earth Harbor is $48 MSRP. And what was listed in here for the makeup was the Josephine Cosmetics highlighter, but instead we got the brow gel. The highlighter was listed as $36 because it was supposed to be a full size. And this looks like it might also be a full size as well, so it's probably around the same price. Usually some subscription boxes will, you know, if they run out of a product, they'll just put another one in that's around the same price. I'm guessing that's what they did here. I will leave the links to everything down below so that you can check it all out for yourself. And which product are you going to be most excited to try? I think mine is going to be this one, the Earth Harbor, because this is like a facial oil. I love me a good serum or facial oil I can put on at night. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And thank you so much for joining us. Say goodbye, Cancelf. Mwah.